Now we shall practice Utkatasan. Keep your feet away at a distance of your shoulders. Inhale, raise hands upwards, join them. Exhale, bend the knees and lower the trunk till the thighs are parallel to the ground. Back fully straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straighten the legs. Now we shall practice Dhrut Utkatasan. Lower the arms. Stand erect with the feet 1 foot apart. While inhaling, raise the hands upwards, join them. Inhale, while exhaling 1, 2, lower the body down fully. 3, 4, 5. Raise up, lower the hands,